All right, well now I'm going to show you guys a problem where we are going to use molar volume. So if you look at your mole map, we are going to use this conversion. So we have our orange sheet, which tells us that at STP, 1 mole of any gas is 22.4 liters. And then at STP, 1 mole of any gas takes up 24.5 liters. So we're going to use that to solve this problem. So the problem is right here. So we're going to start with grams of lithium, and that would be right here. And then we're going to calculate the liters of hydrogen. So we're going to have to take our grams of lithium to moles. Then we're going to do our mole and convert over to hydrogen, and then we're going to go down here. So this is the gas volume calculation. So solving the problem, we're going to start with our beginning number, our 12.5 grams of lithium over 1. Molar mass, just from the periodic table, 6.94 grams of lithium. Now I'm going to do, so I'm right, just went from here to here. Now I'm going to do my mole. So I want to get rid of my moles of lithium. So I'm going to put a 6 on the bottom. And then I'm going over to hydrogen, so I'm going to put a 3 on the top. So my grams cancel, moles cancel. I'm at moles of hydrogen. Now I'm going to do that new step where I will use this. STP tells me that 1 mole of any gas is going to take up 22.4 liters. So I'm going to put 1 mole, of hydrogen is going to occupy 22.4 liters. So, and then when I do this calculation, I should get 20.2 liters of hydrogen.